Let's remove the cover on your Poplar and Poplar S convertible car seat. To remove the head restraint cover, start by loosening the harness. Lift the harness release button. Pull both harness straps forward. Raise the head restraint to its highest position. Open the chest clip. Press the tabs and pull them apart. Unbuckle the harness. Remove the lower infant insert. Remove the 2 elastic straps from the head restraint adjuster. Remove the 2 elastic straps from the back of the head restraint. Repeat on both sides. Route the harness from the head restraint cover slot. Now, remove the head restraint cover. To remove the seat pan cover, first open the click-tight. Lift the front cover flap. Squeeze the click-tight release buttons. Now, remove the buckle and belly pad. Turn the buckle strap retainer sideways and push it up through the seat pan and seat pan cover. Remove the buckle and belly pad from the seat pan. Separate the buckle from the buckle and belly pad. Detach the 2 elastic straps from under the seat pan. Lastly, pull the cover away from the seat. Now, let's remove the outer rim cover. First, close the click-tight. Then, lower the head restraint to its lowest position. Unsnap the 2 snaps on the back of the seat. Untuck the plastic tabs under the forward-facing belt path on each side. Pull the top of the outer rim cover forward from the side panels. Raise the head restraint to its highest position. Open the click-tight. Detach the 2 elastic straps on both sides of the harness adjuster strap. Untuck the lower part of the outer rim cover around the belt paths and strike plate on each side. Untuck the plastic tabs on the outside under the rear-facing belt path on each side. Detach the 2 elastic straps at the bottom of the seat. Unthread the harness adjuster strap from the cover. Remove the cover. And close the click-tight.